These are dominoes. You'll notice that each domino has two sides. On the sides we see dots. These dots are referred to as pips. One of the ways in which we can use the dominoes is to make decimal numbers that we can compare and order. So for this activity, what I'm going to do is turn these dominoes over, and then I am going to choose 5 of them, use them to make decimal numbers that I can put in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to choose these 5 dominoes. I'll set these aside, and now I decide which way I want to turn the domino in order to make a decimal number. I want it in this order, so I would read this as 25 hundredths. I want to read this one as 19 hundredths, 27 hundredths. This will just be 3 hundredths, and this will be 54 hundredths. So now I'm going to put them in order from least to greatest. So I would put 3 hundredths here, 19 hundredths, 25 hundredths, 27 hundredths, and 54 hundredths. And finally, I will record these in order from least to greatest. So here is 3 hundredths, 19 hundredths, 25 hundredths, 27 hundredths, and 54 hundredths. So here's one way in which we can use the dominoes to make decimal numbers that we can compare and order.